The shift might be thinking about yourself more, or it might be thinking about others more. It might be cultivating more self-love, or it might be cultivating more caring for others. It might be more surrender, or it might be more autonomy. It's about finding that balance point. It's about navigating from the present moment and learning to balance on the best part of the wave, ride it out, and knowing when to relax and go with the flow and roll with it, roll out of it, bend your knees, and you get better at riding the present moment by learning to shift more rapidly and more easily with practice. And the shift is not any one particular thing. It's that it's that ever constant, to some degree, balancing, shifting in order to maintain the sweet spot, the balance, the Goldilocks moments in life.